In this lung sound video, we're going to discuss stridor. Stridor is a type of inspiratory wheeze that is typically described as high-pitched, almost like a whistling sound, and it's something that we often refer to in children because it's more commonly seen in them. They can produce it with conditions like airway obstructions or croup, epiglottitis. And the key thing to remember with a stridorous lung sound is that it's going to require medical intervention, oftentimes on the quicker end of things.